Good morning, students. Today's lesson is about relations and functions. The first point is what is an ordered pair? An ordered pair is a pair of entries in the specified order. An ordered pair is a pair of entries in the specified order. You know that x y, when you put this xy in this bracket, this is known as an ordered pair. And the next one is if xy is equal to cd, xy ordered pair equal to the ordered pair cd implies x equal to c and y equal to d. For example, one question is if x plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 1. How can you solve for x and y? If two ordered pairs are equal, the first component of the LHS equal to the first component of the RHS. That means x plus 1 equal to 3 implies x is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Similarly, y minus 2 equal to 1 implies y equal to 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Understand? Now, one more question of that same type. Write one question. If it is, write 2x by 5 plus 1 comma y minus 3 by 4 fractional type, that is equal to 1 by 5 comma 1 by 4. Equate 2x by 5 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 5. Understand? This is a linear equation. When we convert this plus 1 in the other side, 2x by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 minus 1. When you take the LCM of the RHS, you will get 1 minus 5 the whole by 5. 2x by 5. If the denominators are same, you can cancel. 5 and 5 cancel. Then you will get 2x is equal to minus 4 implies x is equal to minus 2. Understand? Same way, what about the second one? Y minus 3 by 4 equal to 1 by 4, which implies y is equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That means same denominator implies adding the numerator. 4 by 4 gives 1. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. Okay, now the next point about this chapter is what is Cartesian product? Listen, what is Cartesian product? Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B. പറയുന്ന ഡെഫിനേഷൻ എഴുതിയെടുക്കണം. Two non-empty sets A and B written as A cross B, not A into B. This is A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs, is the set of all ordered pairs XY, comma, such that X in A and Y in B. X in A and Y in B. Cartesian product A cross B means set of all ordered pairs XY such that X in A, Y in B. I will give one example. Write the question. A is the set 1, 2 and B is the set 5, 6. Okay. Then our aim is to suppose write A cross B means from A to B. What is the first element of A? That is 1, 1, 5, 1, 6. Look at here. 1, 5, 1, 6. The set of all ordered pair means you put the set notation 1, 5, 1, 6. Understand? Now we take the second element 2, 2, 5, 2, 6. This is the meaning A cross B. Understand? Now, can you write what is B cross A? B cross A means we take B first. B is the X component. That means the set, look at the board, 5, 1, 5, 2, 6, 1, 6, 2. 5, 1, 5, 2, yes, 6, 1, 6, 2. This is the meaning of A cross B. Right, the second problem. A is the set 2, 3, 4 and B is the set 1, 3, 5, 6. Find the first question is what is A cross B? Look at the board and say the answer. A cross B is always a set of all ordered pairs. Therefore, remember to put this set notation first. Yes, all of you look at the board and say the answer. When you take 2 as the first component, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 6. Isn't it? You can write 2, 1. Yes. 2, 3. 2, 5, 2, 6. Okay. Then 3, 1 same way. 3, 1. 3, 3. 3, 5. 3, 6. Here we take 3 as the first component. Then you know that one more element in A, that means 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. This is the answer and you close the set notation also. That is A cross B. Then can you say what is B cross A? B cross A means which one is the first set of all ordered pairs from B to A. That is the meaning. വളരെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. B to A. 1, 2. The set 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay. Then start 3, 2. 3, 3. 3, 4. Isn't it? Then 5, 2. 5, 3. 5, 4. Yes, last pair. 6, 2. 6, 3. 6, 4. Yes, set of all ordered pairs. A cross B means the element A first and B second, but B cross A is B first and A second. Then look at the question. First you have to write A cross B, then B cross A. Then show that A cross B not equal to B cross A means from this list you know that the ordered pair XY. Write the reason. The ordered pair XY not equal to the ordered pair YX. Understand? In the case of ordered pair, the ordered pair XY not equal to the ordered pair YX. Then, can you say what is N of A cross B? Count N of A cross B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 members are in A cross B. Isn't it? And you know that our aim is to find N of A cross B. Here you know that the answer is 12. Then study this formula. N of A cross B is equal to N of A into N of B. Count what is N of A. How many elements in N of A? N of A contains 3 members and N of B contains 4 members. Then what is 3 fours are? 3 fours are 12. That is n of a cross b. Therefore, very important formula in this section is n of a cross b is same as n of a into n of b. Number of elements. That's the meaning n. Number of elements. Other word is in set we use the cardinal number. Cardinal number of a cross b. That's the meaning. That is equal to n of a into n of b. Is it clear? Yes, right. Listen, the third question. If A equal to the set to minus 1, 1, find A cross A. A cross A means you know that the set minus 1, 1 cross the set to minus 1, 1. Isn't it? Both the sets are same. Then how can you write A cross A? Yes, start. The set minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1. Isn't it? Then 1 minus 1 and 1, 1. This is A cross A. Understand? Then can you say what is A cross A cross A? What is A cross A cross A? You know that this is A cross A. A cross A cross A means this is the answer. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1. That is the set. Cross again minus 1, 1. Isn't it? Therefore, what is the answer? The set, when you take the first ordered pair, we need one more element. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Then, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Or you can start here. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. Isn't it? Then taking the second, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Is it clear? Then taking the third element, 1 minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1. Then taking the fourth one, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1. Isn't it? You know that here how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements and here 2 elements. 4 2s are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members are in A cross A cross A. Okay. I think you can write the definition also. If 3 components are there, if 3 Cartesian product of 3 sets, A, B, C are the 3 non-empty sets A, B, C, then write the formula. A cross B cross C is equal to the set of all triplet, not ordered pair, triplet A, B, C, where A in A, B in B, C in C. Okay, this is actually the formula. Here ABC is called an ordered triplet. Ordered triplet. Okay. Look here. Here some important results regarding this A cross B. You know that union means in the first chapter is set, and again you know that union means write all the elements from A and B. Write all the elements from A and B, no repetition there. But A intersection C means intersection is the common element present in B and C. That's the meaning B intersection C. Copy this formula from the board. A cross B union C is A cross B union A cross Z. A cross B intersection C means A cross B intersection A cross C, like that. Okay. Then this is important. If A cross B equal to A cross C implies B equal to C. These are only results and questions also from this part. പ്രൂവ് ദാറ്റ് എ ക്രോസ് ബി യൂണിയൻ സി ഈക്വൽ ടു എ ക്രോസ് ബി യൂണിയൻ എ ക്രോസ് സി. അത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നെ ചെയ്യാവുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസേ ഉള്ളൂ അല്ലേ. ടൈമിൻ്റെ പരിമിതി മൂലം ആ മിസ്സിന് ഒത്തിരി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരുന്നത്. The Cartesian, you can write the fourth question. The Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. അപ്പം എയിൽ ആരുണ്ട്? -1ഉം 0യും 0യും 1ഉം ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, then you know that the first element is from A cross A എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ A എന്ന് തന്നെ -1, 0 ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ. When you look at the second ordered pair 0, 1, that is also a member of A. അപ്പോൾ 0, 1 എഴുതണമെങ്കിൽ ഈ 1ഉം ആരിലുണ്ട്? എയിലുണ്ട്. Therefore ഒന്നുകൂടെ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചേ, ആരൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട് എയിൽ? അങ്ങനെ ഒന്നും വേറെ ഫോമുലയും കാര്യങ്ങളും ഓർക്കാതെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറയാം. ദ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് പ്രസൻറ്റ് ഇൻ എ ആർ -1, 0 and 1. ഓക്കെ ആയോ നോക്ക് അല്ലേ. ഇതാണ് കാർട്ടീഷ്യൻ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആണ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് എ ക്രോസ് എ വന്ന കുറച്ച് എലമെൻറ്റ്സാണ്. ദെൻ ദിസ് ഈസ് ആക്ച്വലി എ മീൻസ് -1, 0, 1. ഓക്കെ ആയോ? യു നോ ദാറ്റ് A has 3 elements and the second A has 3 elements. You can write this. A equal to -1, 0, 1. And second A is also -1, 0, 1. That means our aim is to take A cross A. Here 3 elements, here 3 elements. Therefore in A cross A 9 elements. That is already given in the question, 9 elements. Find the remaining elements, or you can write all the elements. Start. -1, -1. പറഞ്ഞത് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഈ -1 എടുത്ത് ഇവർക്ക് 3 പേർക്കും കൊടുക്കണം. -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1. Then taking the second element 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Then taking the first component as this last 1, 1 -1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Suppose the question is find the remaining elements, means you can write -1, 0. You can neglect this. -1, 0 and 0, 1. Where is 0, 1? Yes, other 7 elements. Okay. The next one is also important, right? B cross A. What is B cross A? The first component is from where? From B. B cross A means the first component is from B. Therefore, I am going to write B first. B appa ആരൊക്കെയാ? 1, 5, 2. ആയിരുന്നോ? 1, 5, 2. Or you can write in order 1, 2, 5. That is from B. Then what is A here? Here A is the second component. I think only 2 elements, A, B, B, B. Therefore, the set is AB. Is it okay? Suppose question is again, but write A cross B, A1, A2, A5, B1, B2, B5. Okay, students? Write the last question. If A equal to set of all x such that x is an odd natural number less than 6 and b is an even natural number less than 6. These are the 2 points given in the question. First, our question is from sets. Write A and B in roster method, isn't it? And second one is find A cross B, B cross A cross A, B cross B. One more type. Find A cross B in an arrow diagram. Okay, we can start. ആരാ സ്പീഡിൽ എഴുതുന്നേ? A equal to the set of an odd natural number less than 6. Odd natural number ആരൊക്കെയാ മോനെ? യെസ്, 1, 3, 5. ഏത് ഫോമിൽ ചോദിച്ചാലും സെറ്റ് പഠിച്ചിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ക്രോസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്. B is equal to the set of even natural number less than 6. ആരൊക്കെയാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തന്നെ മിസ്സിന്? 2ഉം 4ഉം അല്ലേ? ഈവൻ നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പറും ഓഡ് നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പറും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് 2 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. എത്ര പെട്ടെന്ന് നമ്മൾ എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞു. A and B in Roster method. Then what is your third question? Write A cross B. എളുപ്പമാട്ടെ. The set of all ordered pair 1, 2, 1, 4. അല്ലേ? എനിക്ക് കേൾക്കാം നിങ്ങളുടെ ശബ്ദം. 3, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 5, 4. Is it? Then what is the next one? പറഞ്ഞേ കുഞ്ഞെ. B cross A. B cross A പറഞ്ഞേ മോനെ. ആരാദ്യം എടുക്കണം? Yes, B ആദ്യം എടുക്കണം. Therefore, the set of all ordered pair 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. Finish. Then A cross A. A cross A. ഒന്നുകൂടെ അങ്ങ് പറയുക. A cross A പറഞ്ഞ മോനെ. The set 1, 3, 5 cross the set 1, 3, 5. That is the meaning of A cross A. How many elements in the answer? 9 elements വരണം. Start. The set 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Okay. 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5. This is about A cross A. Then the next one is one more question. B cross B. What is B cross B? B is only 2, 4 and the second B is also 2, 4. Yes. The set of all ordered pair 2, 2, 2, 4. 4, 2, 4, 4. Isn't it? Then one more part Miss ഇവിടെ ചോദിച്ചു. Can you say what is that? One more part. Draw the arrow diagram. Draw the arrow diagram of A cross B. ഒന്ന് കാട്ടെ. A is this. ആണോ? Arrow diagram കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? A ഇത് B. അല്ലേ? Yes. B. What are the elements of A? 1, 3, 5. പറഞ്ഞു. B is 2, 4. വെരി സിമ്പിൾ ആണ് ആരോ ഡയഗ്രാം. ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. 1, 2, 1, 4 ആണോ? ദെൻ 3, 2, 3, 4. ആരോ ഡയഗ്രാം ആണേ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. 5, 2, 5, 4 അല്ലേ? ദിസ് ഈസ് എ ക്രോസ് ബി. 1, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 5, 4. Then how can you draw B cross A? ആരം നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം വരയ്ക്കാം. അല്ലെ പിന്നെ തിരിച്ചിങ്ങോട്ട് ആരോ കൊടുക്കണം. അതിൽ നല്ലത് B you can write first and A second. പറഞ്ഞോ. What are the elements of B? B യുടെ elements 2, 4 ആയിരുന്നു. അല്ലേ? What are the elements of A? 1, 3, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Then 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. This is A cross B and B cross A. Suppose the question is to draw arrow diagram for A cross A. Here one A, here one A. Okay. Yes. മനസ്സിലായോ? Is it helpful for you? അതോ മിസ് വെറുതെ സമയം ചെലവഴിക്കുവാണോ? Yes. Study well. God bless you. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ മിസ് ഇത് തീരുന്നില്ല. I will explain relations and the third class I will explain functions. അപ്പോൾ 3 ക്ലാസ്സായിട്ടേ ഇത് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുള്ളൂ. Okay.